Hello my lovely K-pop addicts, I'm back with another unboxing video, this time with Bangtan Boys' Danger, the Japanese version, regular Type A and Type B albums. So the regular edition has the Japanese version of Danger, the Japanese remix of The Rise of Bangtan, and the Japanese version of Miss Right. That's the back. So this doesn't have any photos in it, just credits and lyrics. Under the CD, we got a photo. Gorgeous boys. And with the regular edition, you come with a photo card. And I got Jimin, my second vibe. Oh, he's so gorgeous. Okay, so Type A has an animated cover. Gorgeous boys. Now, it's got the Japanese version of Danger, Japanese remix of The Rise of Bangtan, and it comes with a DVD, has the Danger jacket and PV making. No photos, lyrics, you know. And then under is oh! Nothing's under there, it's just the back of the DVD. There. Another photo. And now, Type B. Another animated jacket. Same Japanese Danger, Japanese remix, Rise of Bangtan. But this one's a little different. Got a photo, same, but it comes with a bunch of photos. So we have Jung Kook, and on the back is Jin, Jimin, Rat Monster, J.O., and just the logo, Danger, and then we have Sugar and B. So I hope you liked this unboxing video. Until next time, bye!